How to allow message requests from everyone on Instagram. Allowing message requests in Instagram is one of the best way for you to network and make more friends in Instagram. So for this, tap on the Instagram icon on your device. After that, your Instagram will open and you will see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the profile section on your Instagram. For that, go to the down right corner on your device. After that, you will open the profile section of your Instagram. After that, go to the three lines on the top right. Just tap on it. And after you tap on that, you have to go to the option of settings and privacy. And after you go to the option of settings and privacy, scroll down until you find the option of message and story replies. And then just tap on that. After you tap on the messages and story replies, you will see a screen like this. Now go to the option of message controls. And after you tap on the option of message control, you have to go to other people, that is others on Instagram. Just tap on others on Instagram. And when you tap on the others on Instagram, you will see a screen like this. And after you see a screen like this, now you have to change your settings. If your settings is on don't receive request, change it to message request. Otherwise, your problem is solved.
Thank you for watching the video, and if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.